Can Reiki help with ADHD? It is estimated that in 2025, over 400 million adults may have ADHD worldwide. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD, typically begins in childhood and can potentially affect the sufferer throughout his or her life. This condition is incredibly common, with more children being diagnosed each year. It is not only a common health issue in children, but prevalent in adults as well. Globally, the United States and Canada report some of the highest ADHD prevalence rates. Australia and a few European nations are next on the list. The Centers for Disease Control reports that 11.4% of children ages 3 to 17 have been diagnosed with ADHD. Some people with ADHD also experience problems in their interpersonal relationships. Researchers do not know exactly what causes ADHD, nor do they know how to prevent it. However, studies have shown a possible link between this disorder and certain factors, including genetics, a history of head injuries, and exposure to various toxins even before birth. ADHD is typically diagnosed after a child experiences significant problems at home or at school. In most cases, doctors will prescribe different medications following a diagnosis of ADHD, such as Focalin Concerta or Adderall. Some individuals with ADHD also participate in cognitive behavioral therapy or other psychiatric treatments designed to improve their symptoms. However, even with these treatments, many people with this condition will continue to experience problems that affect their quality of life. In addition, many of the medications used to treat ADHD can be habit-forming and can cause significant side effects. For this reason, people with ADHD often look for alternative treatment options in addition. Reiki offers a number of different benefits that may be helpful for people struggling with ADHD. Some of these potential benefits are listed below. Reiki may help improve concentration. One of the most pervasive problems experienced by people with ADHD is an inability to concentrate on conversations or important tasks. Reiki may help potentially to improve concentration over time, allowing individuals with ADHD to maintain their focus more effectively. This can help the individual to be more successful in school, at work, and while performing everyday tasks. Reiki may help aid in relaxation. People with ADHD find it hard to calm down even when they have no appropriate reason to be excited. One of the primary benefits of Reiki is relaxation, which may be helpful for someone who struggles with hyperactivity. Over time, the individual may find it easier to relax even outside of his or her Reiki sessions. Reiki may help reduce stress levels. Stress can exacerbate the symptoms of ADHD. In addition, living with ADHD can be stressful in itself, as many sufferers struggle to succeed in school or in their professional lives. According to studies, people who participate in Reiki sessions on a regular basis report that they feel less stress and anxiety than they did before beginning Reiki. This reduction in stress can help to lessen the symptoms of ADHD and improve the client's overall quality of life. Reiki may help improve the quality of sleep. Many people struggling with ADHD experience sleep disturbances, including trouble falling asleep, trouble staying asleep, problems with sleep cycles, and more. These sleep disturbances have a direct effect on the individual's health, and they can make many of the symptoms of ADHD worse. Reiki may improve the quality of sleep for these individuals. Reiki may help boost the mood. Although mood disturbances are not always a symptom of ADHD, some people with this condition do deal with depression as a result of their struggles. Studies have shown that people who participate in Reiki sessions on a regular basis feel less depressed and more optimistic. Reiki won't interact with other treatments. Reiki is completely non-invasive and causes no side effects. Thus, people with ADHD can engage in Reiki without altering any other component of their treatment plans. Reiki is a supportive therapy to a person's health and healing plan. Both children and adults struggle with ADHD. In fact, for most people, this disorder begins in childhood. Fortunately, Reiki is considered safe for children and may improve the symptoms of ADHD for people of any age. However, because young children with ADHD may have trouble remaining calm and still during Reiki sessions, shorter sessions may be required. In some cases, the child may begin with short sessions that gradually increase in length over time as the child becomes more comfortable with the process. Both research studies and anecdotal reports indicate that Reiki may potentially help with the symptoms of ADHD. If you or your child are struggling with ADHD and you think that Reiki may be beneficial, please research local Reiki practitioners in your area. Thank you for tuning in to Intuitive Senses, where insight meets inner knowing. If today's message resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need a little extra light. Stay curious, stay open, and as always, trust your senses. Until next time, take care and be well.